we need to do to find the perimeter is just to sum the sides up. That is x plus 4 plus x plus 2, which is equal to 2x plus 6. Let's give numbers to the triangles. Let's say this is first one, second, and third. So we have 3 here. 1 and 2 make another triangle. So let's say 1 and 2 is another triangle. 2 and 3 make another triangle. And 1, 2, and 3 make another triangle. So totally we have 6 triangles here. Sum up the perimeters of all 3 triangles here. Let me name the triangle. First triangle is ABD. So what we have there is 4, 5, and 3. Therefore 4, 5, and 3. Second one is DBC. What we have there is 5, 4, and 3. 5, 4, and 3. And the final one is ABC, the big one. What we have there is 4, 4, and 3 plus 3, which is 6. 4, 4, and 6. That is equal to, this is 12, this is another 12, and this is 14, and this makes 8, 3, 38. We have this triangle, we have the second triangle, and we have the big triangle that 1 and 2 come together. So we have 3 triangles here. Questions number 5 and 6 together, since we have the same figure there. What we know about the question is that BD is equal to 3 and DC is equal to 4, and the area of ABD, triangle ABD, is equal to 30 centimeter square. ABD. And as you know, the area of a triangle is equal to base times height over 2. So let's find out the height of this triangle. Base is equal to 3 here, times height over 2 is equal to 30. So the height is equal to 30 times 2 over 3, which is equal to 20. So this height is equal to 20. Let's find out the area of ADC now. ADC, this triangle. The height is, since this is perpendicular, the height is equal to this height. So this is the identical height. So what I need to find out is, for ADC, what I need to find out is only the area. Height is equal to 20, and the base is equal to 4, divided by 2. This is equal to 40 square centimeter. This is the answer for question number 5. Now let's go to question number 6. What they are asking for in question number 6 is the area of ABC. Similarly, the base for ABC is 3 plus 4, 7. So what I need to put is 7 here instead of base, and the height is again 20. When I divide it by 2, the result comes out to be 70 square centimeter. This is the answer for 6th question. Questions 7 and 8 together. As you see, AB is equal to AC, so it looks like an isosceles triangle. However, since this is x, so these angles must be equal to each other. So this means that 2x plus 60 is equal to 180. 2x is equal to 180 minus 60. X is equal, so this is equal to 120. So x is equal to 120 over 2. That is equal to 60 degrees. So all these 3 angles are equal to 60 degrees. So this actually is an equilateral triangle. Now my answer for the angle of B is equal to 60. This is the answer for question number 7. And now when we come to question number 8, this triangle is an equilateral triangle, as we have proved. That's why all the sides are equal to each other. AB is equal to AC, that is equal to BC. That's the answer for question number 8. Questions number 9 and 8 together now. As you probably remember, the sum of 2 internal angles is equal to the third external angle. That's why 30 plus 40 is equal to the angle here out. So n is equal to 30 plus 40. That is equal to 70 degrees. This is the answer for question number 9. Let's go to question number 10. As you see, this triangle here is isosceles. Let me name it A, B, C, D. So this angle here must be equal to M2. And we know that this is equal to 70 now. That's why 70 plus 2M is equal to 180. So 2M is equal to 180 minus 70. That is equal to 110. When I divide each side by 2, M is equal to 55 degrees. And this is the answer for question number 10. For any given triangle, one side cannot be less than the difference of the other two sides, or it cannot be greater than the sum of two sides. Therefore, x cannot be greater than the sum of these two sides, and it cannot be less than the difference of these two sides. Therefore, x must be something between 2 and 14. When we look at the choices, we only have 13 that matches this criteria. Meter is equal to 31 centimeters, and that is equal to the sum of all three sides. That is x plus 3 plus x plus 2 plus 2x, and this is equal to 4x plus 5. That is equal to 31. When I subtract 5 from each side, 26 is equal to 4x. Dividing each side by 4, x is equal to 13 over 2. That is equal to 6.5.